Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error with the game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to install Visual C++ file. Now for this, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see Visual Studio file. You have to download this x86 and x64. So download this x86 and x64, run both the files. Click on it. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, install. This is x86. Now run x64 version. Again, click on repair. If you see repair, click on repair. Click on install. If you see install, and let the installation complete. Once installed, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to install .NET framework. Now for this, you can type in turn Windows feature, turn Windows feature on or off in Windows search box, and then click on turn Windows feature on or off. Make sure .NET framework 3.5 and 4.8 both are checked over here. If unchecked, put a check and then click on OK, and then let it install, then restart your computer, and then you can check. Next step is to run the game from the game installation folder. Now for this, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, manage, browse local files, and then make a double click, launch the game from here, and then check. If that does not work, open Bloodlines 2 binaries Win64, make a double click, launch the game from here, and then check. If not working, make a right click, go to properties, go to this tab, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, hit apply, click on OK, make a double click, launch the game, and then check. Still not working, go to properties. This time you can put a check over here, select Windows 8, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game. Still not working, you can even try Windows 7 over here, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game. Try disable first screen optimization, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game, and then check. Still not working. In that case, you can uncheck these two boxes over here, hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Next step is to go back and do the same thing with the first exe file, make a right click, and then click on run as administrator, and then check. Still not working. The next step is to create a new admin local user account without any space or special character in the name. Now for this, you can open Windows setting, go to accounts, and then go to other users, click on add account over here, and then click on add. I don't have this person's sign-in information, click over here, and then click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can create a new username. This is just an example. Do not put any space or special character like percentage, dollar, anything. Just keep it simple, and then if you want a password, you can enter the password, or you can leave it blank if you don't want a password. Once created, click on the new account, click on change account type, and then select administrator over here, click on OK. Now log out and log in, or restart your computer, and then you can log into this new account which you have created, and then you have to install the game and then launch the game. Next step is to skip Paradox launcher. Now for this, you can go to the game installation folder, manage, browse local files, and then open Bloodlines 2 binaries Win64. Copy this path. This is the path. Copy it, paste it anywhere, and then after Win64, put // over here, and then type in the name of the exe file, that is Bloodlines 2, this one. Make a right click, rename, and then copy this. And then you can just, after // you can no space, type in the name of the exe, and then at the end type in .exe, and then you have to put this quotation at the beginning and at the end. So at the very beginning, paste this quotation. Use this quotation because in quotation from the keyboard, this quotation is not working for me, so it has to be this quotation only. I have provided this quotation in the video description. And then at the end, after .exe, put this quotation, and then give one space. One space is important, and then you have to type in %, and then now you can copy this path, and then you can paste it to the, make a right click, properties, and in the launch option you can paste this, and then you can relaunch the game. This will launch the game straight away without Paradox launcher, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to rename the config folder. Now when you rename the config folder, all the saved settings will be lost. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, users folder. Let me close the game for now. Open your username over here and then open app data. If you don't see app data, at the top click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open app data folder, local folder, open Bloodlines 2 folder, Steam folder, and then open saved folder. Rename this config folder, make a right click, rename it. Now once you rename it, relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to allow the game exe file to antivirus program. If you're using Windows security, open Windows settings, go to privacy and security, or Windows or update and security, click on Windows security, virus and threat protection. Scroll down, at the bottom you will see manage ransomware protection. Click on it, click on allow an app through control folder access, click on yes to allow, add an allowed app, browser apps, and then go to the game installation folder and then open the game folder. Select the game exe file, click on open, add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then open this Bloodlines 2 binaries Win64. Select this exe file, click on open. Now type in control panel in Windows search box, go to control panel, system and security, Windows Defender firewall, click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, change settings, allow another app, click on browse, go to the game installation folder once again, open the game folder, select the game exe file, click on add. In my case, I have already added. Again, allow another app, browse, open Bloodlines 2 binaries Win64, select this exe file, click on open, and then click on add. Again, I have added. So once the game is added over here, now launch the game. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, add the complete game folder and both the exe file to your antivirus program. Next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have AMD card, go to AMD website. If you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia website. Select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that select your operating system and then click on find. Now on this page, you will see the latest graphic card driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, click on view and then click on download. Once the download is complete, run this exe file. Once you run the exe file, click on yes to allow, click on OK, click on agree and continue, and then select custom option over here and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next. Once done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings, add desktop app, go to the game installation folder, and then again select the game exe file, click on add. Once the game is added, click on it, select high performance over here, and again add desktop app, Bloodlines 2 binaries Win64, select this exe file, click on add, scroll down, find the game in the list, and then once you find the game, click on the game, again select high performance over here and then relaunch the game. Disable integrated graphic card. If your computer has a dual graphic card, make a right click on the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter over here, and then make a right click on integrated graphic card. In my case, it's Intel. Make a right click, disable device, relaunch the game, and then check. Once done playing the game, make a right click, you will see enable device, enable it once again. Next step is to roll back graphics card driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, then on this page you can click on view more versions, and then maybe you can try 581.29 or 581.15. But when you go for installation, make sure that you put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then click on next, and then restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to verify the game file. Now for this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the verification is complete, launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to try launching the game from Nvidia App. So Nvidia card users, if you have Nvidia App installed, if not installed, install it and then launch it, and then you can go to home and then you can launch the game from here. When you launch the game from here, just click on play and just wait, and this will launch the game without Paradox launcher, and then you can check. If that does not work, you can go to graphics, select the game over here, and at the right hand side, if you see optimize option like this, I don't see optimize option. Let me close the game for now. So when you select the game over here, if you see optimize option like this, you can click on optimize if and then launch the game and then check. If it is already optimized, you can revert the optimization and then you can close Nvidia app and then check. Also try debug mode. Now for this, you can make a right click on the desktop, show more option, go to Nvidia control panel and then go to help option and then click on debug mode. Make sure debug mode is checked and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. Restore Nvidia settings. Now to restore, you can go to -3D settings, global settings, click on restore, click on yes, and at the bottom right you will see apply option, hit apply and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to disable or enable Steam overlay, or make a right click on the game, select properties, turn off the option which says enable the Steam overlay while in game and then check. If it is already off, you can turn it on and then check. So try both on and off and then relaunch the game each time and then check. If you have Nvidia app running, you can go to settings in Nvidia app and turn off Nvidia overlay over here. If you have Discord running, then go to Discord settings, turn off overlay and then close all the overlay application, all kinds of overlay application, you can close it. Do not overclock, set it to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI Afterburner, Revert or any kind of overclocking application running, you can close it. Close all third-party applications. So if you have any application, third-party application running over here, close everything. Make sure only the game and the Steam, only the Steam and the game is running. Rest close everything, including your browsers. Next step is to use Intel driver and support assistant. Now for this, you can go to Intel website. Here you can see Intel driver and support assistant official website. Click on download, install it, and then you have to launch this Intel driver and support assistant. It will scan your computer, and if there is any update, then you will see download all option. You have to click on download and install all the drivers from this website. You can click on install all, and once everything is installed, you restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to try power saver mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to hardware and sound, go to power options, and then over here if you see power saver option like this, select power saver, relaunch the game and then check. You can even try balanced and high performance, but first of all try power saver and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. Enable or disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings, go to advanced graphics settings. If this is off, you can turn it on. If it is already on, turn it on and then relaunch the game. If it is already on, you can turn it off, relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, restart your computer once. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings over here. And then under Advanced, click on Settings, the first setting, and then click on Advanced tab and then click on Change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed and then select Custom Size. And for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. And over here you can see in my case it's 16 gigabytes. So you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back to the settings. So do not worry about it. So in my case it's 16 gigabyte multiplied 1024. That is total RAM in megabyte. For initial size it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5. That is 24576. For maximum size, it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024. In my case, 16384 megabyte. Then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size, it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set. Set is important. Make sure that it hits set and then click on OK and then OK. Okay, now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in View Advanced System Settings again and then click on View Advanced System Settings. Go to settings over here, click on change advanced tab and then click on change and then select system manage size this time and then click on set. Set is important. Click on OK. Click on OK over here. Hit apply. Click on OK. OK, you will see restart option, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, we will revert to default. So you can type in view advanced system settings once again, settings, advanced, change, and put a check on this box and then hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. You can skip this step if you're not able to launch the game. But if you're able to launch the game, you can try window mode, lower down video settings, and then check. Next step is to update the BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number and update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the BIOS. Next step is to unplug all the external devices, like if you have HOTAS, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected, disconnect it. Disconnect extra controller, disconnect external keyboard and mouse, remove the undervolt if you have undervolted your computer, and then launch the game. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So if nothing is working, make a right click, manage, uninstall. After the uninstall, go to now. You have to install the game to C drive. So if the game is installed to D drive or E drive, try to install the game to C drive. If the game is already installed to C drive, try installing the game to another SSD and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.